like, it's cool, we'll just stay with the van, take off.
What's up?
Hello.
Just getting on the road in a nice, timely fashion.
Yeah, we got here at 10.
Okay. Yeah. Battery power? You got battery power? Hey, check this out. Look right here.
Fuck 12. Oh, hell yeah, dog. How'd that happen?
My phone fell off the mount and it got roasted.
Holy shit.
I need a phone. Yeah.
I can't find
I needed to.
Good stuff.
Yo, did Sammy already leave?
Yeah, he just passed.
Fuck.
We're at a good spot, so we're gonna kind of go back the way you just were.
Yep.
You know that bridge you came across?
I came a weird way. You sound sleeping?
I just started hearing.
Oh, I know what it is.
What?
We lost our clutch bolt. Our clutch is completely dry.
Oh, great.
I cover on and I'll clean up the rest.
I'm thinking the main needs to go up. Whoa.
Did ride through the asbestos hill.
You want to make sure you're okay.
Yeah, man. Keep traveling and everything, alright?
Hey, it looks like your glimpse might be out of time. All right. Yep. We're trying to catch up to you.
All right, I'm on 50. I'll deal with it.
Stay safe, brother.
What's up?
What happened?
Flat tire. It's okay. Okay, so you got a tube in a wheel, okay? And then on the inside here.
I really don't want to talk about this.
Well, you're wrong.
No.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
I know you don't. You're not making sense. Why was that wrong? That was a used. That was a fucking used tube. So.
Fine. Let's do it.
Don't break up, guys. I don't want to have 2 Christmases.
Yeah, you do.
shipped it there.
Okay, because it was like downstairs in the basement.
Yeah.
I was
Like, how is this
State and the city are like really,
didn't
really
come out.
fucking good. Like Gilbert Crockett.
Dude, he's fucking. Well,
Sparked.
That's a really cool moped, guys. Tell me about it.
Broke down.
2 days in a row. But we're gonna fix it probably before the tow truck gets here.
My name is Keisha. I'll be your assistant call. Are you listening?
Hi.
You don't get in here. That one's
Guys
like
are good
most
promotion right there. You got bit.
Up Jet never lose! Charlie, get in there. There we go.
They just trying to pull the car in.
Oh. And the Vader might need to like be tuned again just because it's I think, you know, I'm gonna tune the Vader every day.
Never DNF!
Really tired.
What?
And wet. On the seat there's so much like white stuff, and I was like, what the fuck is this? It's all baby powder that turned into liquid. $5. Woohoo! I should have just lived it.
You read Del Taco?
Hmm?
Del Taco?
What about it?
Have you ever had it?
No.
That's El Pago.
Oh man, the mad ants! Ah! That's all ants. It's on me.
Yeah.
Holy shit! Best feeling in the world, eating a burrito and peeing at the same time.
Wave the flag, wave the flag. Ran out of gas like 5 miles from here. Well, the top went out, and so I was like revving.
Can't see.
There's a bathroom. Oh yeah.
Good?
Good.
Fuck yeah.
You're in there like swimwear.
I got stuck in the fucking train!
Fucking karma.
Weren't running too hot here in Texas compared to Louisiana where we came from today. It's a lot drier.
Yeah.
So I'm planning to just be more conservative than how Parker and Doug B were riding the whole time, because we almost just pretty much have it want. We just have to show up half an hour late and we're good, right? So pretty slow and steady, and I picked a really good route. It's probably gonna fuck some people up because they're like, "Where the fuck is he going?" You fell over.